Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix if your Facebook app is not updating its news feed. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first process or first fix that you can do if you have this problem is to verify your internet connection. So one of the most common reasons why your Facebook news feed not updating is unstable internet connection. So the first step that you should do is to check and ensure a stable internet connection. So you can restart your modem or router, and you can also try disconnecting the internet connection from your device and connecting it again. So what you can do is to simply turn off your Wi-Fi right here, turn it off just like that, and then turn on again, and then just connect to the same Wi-Fi and then check if that works. And then you can also try to use mobile data and see if that fixes a problem. But if it didn't, what you can do next is to manually refresh the Facebook app's news feed. So sometimes, though you have a strong internet connection, the problem lies in your Facebook app. So on your iPhone device or any mobile device, you can do a manual refresh of the Facebook news feed by swiping down. So this may solve the issue on Facebook news feed not loading. And then next, what you can do is to check if the Facebook is down. So you may not notice it, but possibly the problem on Facebook news feed not loading happens because Facebook is experiencing a downtime in your region. So this will make your Facebook app not load properly, including your news feeds and comments. So you can try searching from other websites to confirm if Facebook server is up or not, or even or open other apps and sites if they are loading properly. And then what you can do next is to force close the Facebook app. And you can do this by tapping into this icon right here that will allow you to see your Facebook. And after that, you just need to swipe it to your swipe up, and then that will first close your Facebook app, and then just try and open your Facebook again and see if that fixes the problem. But if it didn't, what you can do next is to try to update your Facebook app. So you just head into your Play Store, and after doing so, just type in Facebook, so search, and after that, just update your Facebook if an update is available, and then that should fix the problem. And then that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.